My daily routine, a simple but hopeful day. Hello, my name is Reza, and I wanted to tell you about my daily routine. I live in a small town. Life is not easy, but I try to stay strong. Every day I wake up with hope that something good will happen. Morning, a new beginning. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. The room is quiet. The air is a little cold. Sometimes I open my eyes before the sun rises. I sit on my bed and think for a minute. I say in my heart, thank you. I have another day. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. The water is cold, but it helps me feel awake. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. I say, today, I will try my best. I go to the kitchen and make simple breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and cheese, sometimes eggs with a little tomato. I always drink tea. I like it warm and sweet. When I drink tea, I feel calm. I sit near the window and watch the sky. I hear birds singing, and I feel peace. Mid-morning, time to learn. After breakfast, I clean the dishes and my room. I make my bed, fold my blanket, and sweep the floor. A clean room gives me good energy. At 9 o'clock, start learning English. I open my notebook and write today's date. I write new words and try to make simple sentences. I read stories, listen to English on YouTube, and repeat the sentences aloud. It is not easy, but I enjoy learning. I believe that English can help me find a better future. Sometimes I talk to myself in English. I say things like, my name is Reza. I live in Turkey. I want to learn. I know I make mistakes, but that's okay. Mistakes help me grow. Afternoon, simple life, simple food. Around 1 p.m., I eat lunch. I usually cook something simple. Rice, potatoes, or soup. Sometimes I eat with my brother's family. We talk a little and eat together. After lunch, I wash the dishes. And rest for a short time. I sit in a quiet corner of the room. I drink tea again. I look outside. I see the trees and the street. Sometimes people walk by. I imagine what they are thinking. Do they have problems like me? Do they feel alone sometimes? Then I take a short walk. I go to the market to buy bread or milk. I see neighbors say hello and smile. Walking helps me relax and think. I feel better after a walk. Late afternoon, helping and dreaming. In the afternoon, I help around the house, carry water, help the children, or fix small things. If I have time, I read a book or write in my notebook. I write my thoughts, my dreams, and sometimes little stories. One of my dreams is to travel, to go to another country where I can study, work, and live free. I know it may take time, but I never stop dreaming. Evening, time to slow down. At 6 o'clock, I eat dinner. Sometimes I eat with family, sometimes alone. After dinner, I sit and think. Some days, I feel sad. Some days, I feel strong. Life is not the same every day, but I always try to find something good. At night, I usually watch a short video in English. I repeat the sentences in practice. Speaking. I learn something new every day. Even one word is progress. Then I write in my journal. I ask myself. Then I write in my journal. Ask myself, what did I learn today? What made me happy? What will I try tomorrow? Night, quiet and peaceful. Around 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I turn off the light and lie down. I close my eyes and take a deep breath. In the dark, I talk to God. I say thank you for today. Please, give me strength for tomorrow. Before I sleep, I think about my dreams. One day I will have a good job. One day I will speak English well. One day I will travel and see new places. These dreams help me continue. This is my daily routine. It is simple, but it is full of meaning. Every day I wake up, learn, work, help, and rest. I try to stay strong. I try to learn. I try to grow. If you are listening to my story, I want to tell you this. You are not alone. Keep going. Keep learning. One small step every day brings you closer to your dream. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel